What's up guys, it's Angel Stride here. I made this video to answer the questions from my first vlog in my Etoro journey. So the first question was, when did I study stock market? Well, actually I didn't study stock market. I just studied when I made an account here in Etoro. Then I study it while I'm in. And the second the second question was, what is the most important thing to focus in? I would like to add in the first question. I started last October 26th, so that was the first time I exposed myself in stock market. So going back to the question number two, uh, what is the most important thing to focus in? Well, so there are three things to focus in stock market as a beginners. First, you should focus in volume. Volume it generally means how much you demand in stock currently. So let's say example, the trade today is 40 or 100 million. Let's take a look at probably Tesla. Say for example Tesla. Let's see the stats of See the stats of Tesla. Tesla has 43.26 million. These also potential stocks, but maybe we can take a look at NEO. Yes, Tesla is for me. I can keep Tesla for long-term investment. For me, I like Tesla, and it started from $10 last 20 way back 2010, and it was really, really sad that I didn't invest at that time. I just invested recently. So I'm really late in the game now. But it's okay. Better late than never. So yeah, let's go on Neo. Neo, I would like to show you Neo. It's the same as Tesla. They are both electric cars. But today, Neo has an average volume of 177.1 million. So this is really good to invest at this moment. I've made an investment in Neo as well. It has an average volume of 177.1 million. That means the volume is too crowded, and that shows it has a high demand. So yeah, so it's very volatile at the moment. But I would like as well to keep this like Tesla, you know? It's only 50 for now, but I have faith that it will go up in the future. We will see about that. And the second thing is float. Float means supply. A company float is an important number for investors because it indicates how many shares are actually available to be bought or sold by generally investing in public. And the third one is the market cap. Let's go back to FB. The third thing is the market cap, which tells you the volatility of a certain stocks. So those are the three things that you should focus as a beginner in stock market. Let's head over to the second question. Third question, rather. The third question was, how do you choose a stock? Well, I choose a stock. Of course, you have to study the stock or company that you will invest in. So there's two ways that will help you to study a certain stocks. First is the quantitative analysis, and the second one is the qualitative analysis. The quantitative analysis is to help you determine the real value of a certain stocks. So quantitative analysis is mostly focused in the income statement, cash flows, balance sheets, debt to equity ratios to determine its value. But you can always go to Yahoo Finance for further information about a certain stocks or company or bar chart or etc. Whichever you prefer to. My personal example for this is the company that I've invested recently, which I actually base upon the price in relation to the quantitative analysis, which means the stock has a cheaper price with a fair value. So the company that I invested recently is Neo. It's an EV, electronic vehicle. So it was 38.98 when I bought it, and it was December 2, and it went up to 45 something, and then it dropped down to 39.96, and I ride on the deep and bought at the price 39.96, and it was December 14. This trade I will keep it for long term position, but of course I'm still not smarter than an average traders. I would also like to correct myself from my previous video. Of course, you can always buy stocks in green unless you want to short it. If you want to do short trading, then of course you are welcome to buy in green if you want to short it. But when you're planning to hold it for long term, then might as well buy it in red, like in deep red, so you can hold it for, so you can be secure to hold it for long term. But when you're planning to hold the stocks for long term, I would suggest buy it in a discount price, like what I did in Neo or Lemonade. Bought it around sorry, so I bought Lemonade at $88.15, and now it's $151.23. So let's head over to the fourth question. What is your strategy? My strategy, well, I don't normally trade. I only invest. Well, before, when I first on my previous months, I do day trade, but I realize, well, it stressed me out actually, because I also have another job and I cannot focus on a day trade. The first couple of months that I started in stock market, I do day trade, and I lost some of money. And as you can see in my previous vlog, I lost like, I was like negative $50 something. And I realized that I cannot focus, because I cannot focus on day trade because I have other jobs as well. So what I did is hold the stocks forever. Well, of course, you have to identify the stocks that you will hold for 10 years and wait for the pullback. And I don't want to stress myself for short selling or day trading. Another thing is buy the dip during red days, or if there will be a market crash. I don't normally trade. I only invest, and I hold my stocks forever. And finally, I have recovered my negative from my previous months. And yeah, all you can see now is green. So that's a good sign. I hope it would be like that consistently. But of course, we have to be sensible with our actions. So that's it for now. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye bye for now.